When you go to the offices, sir, you see him with president this, president that. You understand? And then when you talk to him, he'll say, oh, I will just call this minister. He will tell the white man that, look, they are all under my palms.
This man has done lots of things which are questionable in Ghana. Our authorities have turned blind eye almost because of money. Captain's man, the interview, I see me the minimum. No one your friend me buy na me go to hey captain. Mommy use word me now. I thought you were sensible. Maka. Because as a journalist and as an investigative journalism, Captain, you know what I'm talking about. Obima story, you check and recheck. That is what you are trained for. Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Bembru. Subscribe, share, me to mana. Wonsa enya kabi sharp. Ghana is becoming a dangerous land. Ghana, ya we becoming a dangerous land with dangerous people. Ya biye ya door so in the name of hospitality or whatever we call it. Jimmy hospitality. One of the people are Igbo Kiyos and wanya we no. The Ghanaian youth are awake. Almost enough of the stupidness. The security people need to wake up.
Fresh one in Kensu. The pictures he has with our leaders is what is fetching him money. The short videos he makes with our leaders is what is fetching him money. Because when you go to these gold scam offices, when you go to the offices, sir, you see him with president this, president that. You understand? And then when you talk to him, he'll say, oh, I will just call this minister. He will tell the white man that, look, they are all under my palms. I deal with all of them. Don't worry. We will have your gold ship. Don't worry. We are in charge of everything. The president is my friend. And you believe it because he has pictures of the president in the lobby.
And we are saying one only maybe. Mami ka bibi nchiro. Ye kase oye asundwe nipa. It does not mean say what Jimmy. And it does not mean say allow anybody of any kind to enter into where you are. Obi ese onya what we call private space. Ghana, as much as ye ji awo no, ye jeja ya hododo. And then we have an influx of what? Nigerians dominating the terrain of Ghana. Be it social media, be it wherever, they are dominating and normally criminal activities against our people. Nigerians, we are not saying don't come, but if you come, do the right thing. And then you memu Igbo wanya ki went me and seeking who Nigeria, wa ba si Ghana. Now, this man has done lots of things which are questionable in Ghana. Our authorities have turned blind eye almost because of money. Captain's man, the interview, I see me the minimum. No one your friend me buy na me go to hey captain. Mommy use word me now. I thought you were sensible. Maka. Because as a journalist, and as an investigative journalism, Captain, you know what I'm talking about. Obima story, you check and recheck. That is what you are trained for. And now, Refi, your course, it say I found out do what? Didn't you ask questions? And my who be said, most of our so-called heroes, our journalists, they are stomach journalists. So baby, as you one they will go and leave the ordinary people to suffer. And then you might go there and take money. Or China, you are putting the country in danger. Woma winchirima omenyaba. No menyiba to na island of Igbos. Igbos is one really Panama. No medriya ni anything. Ni Jimmy enti na ISA. Because when me be try be on my your mom space. Kwa Nigeria na kobisa. Igbo. Omo mom space even in Nigeria. Because omo can confirm mom 1 inch they'll take 4. When mama catch them. Go and ask in Nigeria. Nigeria for me Nigeria friends, Omo catch them say we should want the Ghanaian authorities. Igbo for no mabana moju omo no. Omo you be mom 1 they'll take 4. Anything or buy no or mine need to be a Ghanaian. Okay, sir, I've been living here for 30 years. It does not make you a Ghanaian. It does not make you a Ghanaian. And we are not restricting you for doing your business. But so because say you're a king. What do you mean? Constitution, how many kings are there? How many kings are there? Do you even have foreign kings living in Ghana? Let's go and check the constitution. That's right. What the kingdom put? They say we are going to buy and train Igbos. We don't need them. We haven't told you anything. Don't go and train any Igbos. We don't need them. Go to your country. It is high time the securities wake up and drive that guy out. And yes, I will drive him out. I'm telling you. Because at a time we need to protect our land. We need to protect it for what? Prosperity. Your mom member. And you say mom member near Ghana poto. Now I can say now mobile and I didn't shame on us. It will echo in generations to come. America, penny for the die for America. Until America is great. Yeah, penny for the Jessica and Quasiade take his car and my whole world far or mine. That and then they keep on blaming us. Near same rano, young man in CNN. The youth we are wide awake. Near same rano, and my Ghana butu yeno, young man butu. 79. That was a course. Munima me catch him. Say ya, kwasasem say ya niye. Now you to know, Pabam, let's see. I pray it never happens in Ghana. But His Excellency John Mahama, get up. Yente won't kanye. Be up and doing. This Igbo thing. You for talk. Esa kasa. Niye who say you are the president. We believe in you to Abamao. Umma obise say, kwasia say, ebe talka say, why Igbo Kenya, we have problem with you. I expose you, subscribe, share. You need to manage like a man.